This is Ginkgo biloba, the wild plant that's the only surviving member of its family from the Triassic period over 200 million years ago. So the nuts are used in Chinese medicine for lung conditions. The leaf has become adopted through recent studies the last 60 years or so, and is used as a very concentrated extract, a 50-to-1 proprietary extract that has very high levels of the flavonoids and terpenoids, 24% flavonoid glycosides, 6% terpenoids. These flavonoids are only at 0.5% in ginkgo naturally, so in a way it's like a pharmaceutical drug, the way it's being used for cognitive impairment, dementia, Alzheimer's and memory. So it's a bit untested using the leaf in herbal clinical sense. So you should also be careful because it contains these ginkgolic acids which can cause allergic reactions. So any tinctures you use, you need to make sure that it's got less than 5 parts per million of those acids. So it is bitter and astringent, and it's been included in herbal teas and things like that. But the evidence really is for this high concentrated extract. You need to be a bit careful of using that with blood thinning medication because it can exacerbate any bleeding due to the circulatory properties, but otherwise become a stalwart herbal treatment for cognitive impairment.